If you need to request a refund for a payment made through Revolut, follow these simple steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Locate the transaction. Navigate to the Payments or History section of the app. Find the specific transaction for which you want to request a refund. Step 3. Select the transaction. Tap on the transaction to view its details. Look for an option that says Request Refund or Dispute Transaction. Step 4. Provide necessary information. Follow the prompts to provide any required information regarding the refund request. This may include the reason for the refund and any relevant details about the transaction. Step 5. Submit your request. Once you have filled out all necessary information, submit your refund request. You should receive a confirmation notification, and you can track the status of your request in the app. After completing these steps, you should be on your way to resolving your refund request with Revolut. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to their customer support for assistance.